this is how it's held on. You can see Lanoguard doing its job. Hi, it's Mark from Lanoguard here. We've got two Land Rover Discovery 4s. This one that's never been treated with Lanoguard, my one which has been regularly treated with Lanoguard. We're going to get them both up, have a look at how they look underneath and discuss why wouldn't you Lanoguard your vehicle. Okay, so we're underneath the Disco 4 that's never been Lanoguarded. Have a quick look at it and you can see it's not great. Good, there's a hole in the side of the tank guard. I don't know if you can see that. This is my Land Rover Discovery 4 that has been treated. We're going to get up and have a look and see what it's like underneath now. Okay, so this is underneath my everyday user Land Rover Discovery 4 that you know I've treated before. I purposely haven't topped it up for more than 2 years to see how it holds. It's really quite mucky, of course, because I use it all the time. If you just have a look at a good example here, you can see where the protection is. If I just scrape that out with my nail. So this is how it's held on. You can see Lanoguard doing its job. So you've seen the previous Land Rover that wasn't Lanoguarded, and this is my one that is Lanoguarded. Why wouldn't you Lanoguard it?